EagerLED held a badminton tournament and it was a great success. The active participation of all employees not only enhances the cohesion within the company, but also enhances the tacit understanding and cooperation among colleagues. During the competition, every employee was full of passion and concentration, showing a good competitive spirit. Whether it is a novice or an experienced player, everyone participates in it with a serious attitude, encouraging and supporting each other. Through this competition, the employees not only exercise their body, but also enhance their friendship with each other. Everyone worked together and enjoyed the fun of sports, which not only effectively relieved work pressure, but also established a deep emotional bond between employees. We will continue to organize such activities to promote communication and teamwork among employees to jointly promote the development and progress of the company.